Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial, and today we're going to be making a blog with GitHub Pages and Jekyll. So the first thing you want to do is sign up for a GitHub account, and I already have an account, so let's log in. And then once you're in, you want to go to the top right hand corner and hit create new repository. Alright, and this is important because there's a specific naming schema, which is your username.github.io, and this is going to be the URL to your blog. So yeah, remember you have to follow this format. And if you're a free GitHub user, you have to have your repository public, which means that anyone can see the code that's behind it, but that's fine. All right, so then we hit create repository. Okay, after that, you want to copy this link right here, and then you're going to want to clone it on your desktop. Alright, so now you go to the directory where you want to clone your project, and then we'll go ahead and clone it. Alright, and then we'll go to the directory. Okay, so then for this part, we're going to have to install Jekyll. So the prerequisites to that are going to be different for different systems, but since I'm on a Mac, I need to install Ruby and then Ruby gems, and then we're going to have to install Jekyll and Bundler. Okay, so we're going to do gem install Jekyll and then Bundler. Alright, so now that we have those two things installed, it went fast for me since I already had it. Okay, now you're going to want to run this command. Alright, and now we have the Jekyll site installed in our location, so we should open it up in our code editor. Alright, so as you can see, we have it, and we're going to need to edit the gem file. Alright, now that we have this open, we're going to have to comment this line out, and then we're going to have to replace this line with this string. Alright, and then in this string, we're also going to have to replace it with this version. So we're going to have to open up this link and then pull the version that we need. So we're going to need the GitHub Pages version, so 231. Alright, 231. Alright, we'll save that file, and then we're good to go for now. And after we save that file, we're going to go back to our terminal, and then we're going to type in bundle install. I've typed that wrong. Bundle install. Alright, so that's going to get us right. And then we can go in and edit stuff about our website. So index.markdown is where you're going to see, and then the default theme is going to have a home layout, and then it's also going to have the posts that are contained in this post directory. So we'll just upload the default website to show you what it looks like. So what we're going to do is git add everything, and then git commit. Alright, and then we're gonna push it. Alright, as you can see, our repository is updated, and then we're gonna be able to go to the URL, and the changes will be, actually, we're gonna have to go to settings here, and then we're gonna have to go to pages, and then we're gonna make sure we're on deploy from branch, and then we're going to select the branch that we want, and so do this to ensure that your settings are right. All right, then after that, we're going to have to wait a little bit for the changes to deploy. As you can see, they automatically go through the pipeline and update the site, so that takes a little bit, but now it's finished, and then as you can see, we have our blog right here. And then it's live, and we can click on the post that lines up with this markdown file. All right, so to add another post, what you're gonna do is basically just copy this and make another file, and then we can rename it. Okay, and then we can change things about it. And we can delete all of this. Welcome to my first post. Here I want to share code. All right, and this is going to be a little code snippet. So you'll be able to see that it has that capability. All right, so we're going to add that file and then commit it and then push it. All right, and we'll refresh our page and we see the post was added, and we'll give it some time to refresh. All right, we've waited some time for our website to deploy, so we'll hit refresh, and there you go. We have our new blog post. So we'll click on it, and you can see the stuff we wrote is there. All right, and then this is what the URL looks like. So as you can see, it follows a little format from the title of the file. Okay, and then in part 2, I'm going to show you how we can run this locally, so we can see our changes in real time before we upload it and the changes are live. So thanks for watching.